Hey guys, in this week I want to track my time from freelancing. Therefore, I want to create a little script in Python. So I want to remember my clock in and clock out time, and I would do it with a text file and do it with the datetime module. First, I created a text file where I can note my time marks. Then I imported the datetime module to get the timestamps. To get the actual data and save it, I created the variable called datetime now, which saves the time into the variable. Then I will convert the variable into a string according a given format. I'm going to use the strf time function on actual time. I will use year, month, day, and then hour, minute, and seconds. Then I open the file. I can only use the name of the file because it's located in the same folder as my script in read mode. Then I will check for the string in the last line. Therefore, I use the read function, read lines function, and I will read it from the end and check if there's a semicolon, which I will use to decide when I want to go or use the next line. If it's found, then the new line is true. If not, then new line is false. I will reopen the file in append mode so I can add some content to the file. I check the variable. If it's true, I will write to a new line. Therefore, I use a formatted string, enter the line break, starting time, then add my time variable. If not, I will write the end time without a line break, and then I will print a semicolon at the end. So that means I will have always and start time and end time in one line. Then I run the script, and as you can see, the start time is added. I will run the script again, and the end time is added. So that's all I wanted to do.